Hello, this is Krista from the Teen Services Department of the York County Library. I'm here to let you know that the York County Library now has a Discord channel just for teens ages 11 to 17. For those of you not familiar with Discord, if you go to discord.com, this is a free text, video, and voice chat service. You can download the free app from Android, iOS, Linux, macOS, and Windows. After you download, please create an account as you will need your username and 4-digit number for the next step. The library has created a private server that can only be joined by invitation. To receive this invitation, fill out the form on our website at yclibrary.org/ask-a-ya librarian. You will need to enter your name, your email address. In the subject, you can mention Discord. And in the message, we will need your library card number and your Discord username and the 4-digit number. Once we verify your information, we will send you an email with the invitation to our server. This allows us to know the age of everyone on our server. Now you can go back to Discord, and once you log in, you will see our Discord server. We have 2 channels, YCL Teen Discord and Pride Chat. Everyone is able to participate on the Discord server, but the Pride Chat is only for those teens that request to be added. From our main screen, you can see the different channels. We have all of our rules for using the server listed, as well as a schedule. We have different programs Monday through Friday from 3 to 5 p.m. Each program is listed under its own channel. So we have Game Afternoon, Books and Fun, Chess Club, D&D, and a drop-in chat. We also have some activities that you can do at home, which are a lot of escape rooms, and they're very cool. We mainly use text chat, but occasionally we will open the voice channels if the teens would like to be able to hear each other talk. We have also set up a bot that's designed to block inappropriate language, as well as mute buttons to be used if anyone is not keeping it PG. We've had so much fun interacting with the teens through Discord. If you have any other questions or would like more information, please feel free to contact us at yclibrary.org/ask-a-ya librarian. Thanks!